Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we will look at the program where we will implement the stack using linked list. Hence I've defined the class called as link stack implement. Then I've created the object of which class? Scanner class. I'm taking the value from the user using system.in. That will be stored in scan variable. Then I'm creating the object of the class. How do I create the object of the class? Link stack ls equal to new link stack. So ls is the object of which class? Link stack. Then I will be performing the link stack operations. So link stack test. Then I have defined a variable called as ch of which type? Return type char, where I will be storing value to check whether the user wants to perform the operation continuously or not. That is, user want to continue with the set of operations or not. That's why I've defined the variable ch. Then we have presented the menu driven program to the user. That is, we are giving the options for the user that can be performed on the stack using linked list. 1 is for push, 2 is for pop, 3 is for pick, 4 is for check empty, and 5 is to check the size. Now we will take the choice from the user. Hence I write down int choice equal to scan dot next int. That value I am going to store in the choice variable. Then I am going to check the cases one by one using switch case. So choice is taken from the user, and using switch case I am going to implement the particular operation. Case number 1, that is pushing the element into the stack. Okay, I write down integer element, that is enter integer element to push. That value is taken from the user using scan dot next int. Now in this case I am going to call which object? Linked list object. Okay, that is your ls dot. I need to push the element into the stack. Hence I write down ls dot push scan dot next int. So element will be pushed using the operation called as push operation. Then I come to the next set of operation, that is case number 2. In this case what I do is use the concept of try and catch, since I know that exception can be thrown in this case. Hence I write down try and catch block. Popped element, that will be called using which function? Pop function. Hence I write down ls, which is the object of link stack class, ls dot pop. That will delete the element from the stack. If any exception occurs, I can handle it here, where I have given the which kind of error occurs. Then come to case number 3. We are going to check the topmost element present in the stack. That function we have defined in the pick. Hence I write down ls dot pick. That will give me the topmost element present in the stack. Then I will check the case number 4. That is your empty status. If there are no elements, that is no data element present in the stack, it is empty. Otherwise not, if there are some element present. To do this I am going to call which function? Is empty. Hence I write down empty status equal to ls dot is empty. That will give me the empty status. Similarly, to get the size, I am going to execute the case number 5, and I am going to call the function called as size. That will define the number of elements present in the stack. Hence I write down size equal to ls dot get size. This will give me the number of elements present in the stack. Next case is what? We need to display the status of the stack. We have already defined a function called as display. So based on the object of the linked list, we are going to call that particular function. So we are going to write ls dot display, and that will display the status of the stack. That is going to display the values present in the stack. Next will be if case arises that user doesn't enter the given set of operation, that is number 1 to number 6. In that case, we are going to call the case called as default and show the user that he has entered the wrong choice. Then we are going to ask the user to display the values. To do this, I am going to write ls.display. Once we are done with that, we need to have whether the user wants to continue or not. If he wants to continue, he is going to write yes, and if it is not, he is going to write no. And that value I am going to store using the character y for yes and n for no. So ch equal to scan dot next dot character at 0th position. If it is y, I am going to continue the set of operations again. If it is not, then I am going to stop here only. That is where execution of the program is to be stopped. Now this will continue while ch equal to y, that is ch equal to yes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda channel.